Yeah. Beard butter. Now, this one is an interesting one because some of us, when it comes to growing out our beards, we have only really ever heard of something like, beard oil or beard wash, beard conditioner, and then we get other things like beard balm. But this one product that is so vastly important for our beard hair, we tend to not really think too much of it. And it is probably the reason why we don't really use this product is because some of us are super forgetful at night. You've had a busy day, you've had a long day, and the last thing you want to do is then apply something else to your beard. It's just one more thing that you have to do. I really encourage you guys, if you've never used this product known as beard butter, I'd really recommend that when you're ordering from a company, see if they have it and use their product. Go ahead and purchase it. It will definitely be a benefit for your beard in the long run. I can assure you on this. I can testify to this, really, that I never really used anything like beard butter before I started doing reviews, and man, it has been an absolute game changer for my beard. The number one reason that we're using beard butter is how it hydrates our beard while we are asleep. If you guys don't know, when you guys are sleeping, in case you sleep walk and sleep drink at the same time, your beard is not being hydrated for like that 5 to 8 hours of sleep. And so your body is actually, if anything, what your beard hair is going to do is it's going to kind of dry out. Your skin is going to kind of dry out as well. And when you wake up in the morning, you feel that, right? You feel like, you got like this bird's nest on your face, or it feels like, like a wire brush, and it doesn't feel all that fantastic. And so some may be wondering, well, how do I change that? Because you can obviously go and have a shower, use something like beard wash and beard conditioner to help with your beard, and then you apply beard oil, and that's all you need. But there is a really important thing that we should be using in our beards to help it grow and to also keep it nice and refreshed and hydrated and looking healthy and feeling healthy, and that is this product known as beard butter. And what I have here is I have a company called Husky Beard, which you guys can go and if you want to, go and check out their stuff. I'm an affiliate for this company. I'm a big fan of them. They've got a really, really great lineup of different products and scents, and also too, their Feel and Beard is fantastic for both oil and for beard butter, but also too for their beard wash and beard conditioner. It's fantastic stuff, so it's definitely worth checking out. But when it comes to using beard butter, I have, over the past couple of months, I've been really trying to perfect how much I use in my beard. Again, same thing with like the beard oil video that I just did. When it comes to using beard butter, you really do want to use a little bit of amount of it. You don't want to use too much. In the past, I've honestly scooped out tons of it, put it into my hands. Some of it hasn't even fully melted yet, and I'm putting it into my beard, and my beard feels heavy. It feels oily, obviously, because it's all natural oils and essential oils, but it feels really, really greasy. And then I go to bed, and my pillow is just caked in beard butter, and it's not a really good feeling and experience. And that is because I'm using way too much. Other times I've used a little too little amount, and it didn't really do all that much for my beard. So what is the amount that I should be using? And again, as I said before in the other video that I've done, it really does come down to personal preference, but also too, I really do think there is a sweet spot for how much you should be using. And so I want to show you guys that in this video right now. Okay, so let's jump into this and let's just talk about how much beard butter we should be using. Every company is going to have a different, jar, different logo, all that kind of stuff. The real main important thing is the product inside of the inside the jar. I couldn't say that. So basically what you want to do is once you open up the jar, you'll see how much is in there, and what you want to do is I actually use my thumb, or sometimes I'll use my finger, and that's just, and again, it all just, don't use your whole hand. Don't be like a bear. Don't be like Winnie the Pooh going in the honey jar and getting on all the butter. Okay, don't do that. Don't be Winnie the Pooh in this situation. Don't be like Pooh Bear. Don't be a Pooh Bear. What you want to do is you simply just want to take your thumb and you simply just want to scoop out, maybe I would say about maybe like your fingernail size. If you get a little bit more, that's okay, but you really just want to you kind of want to be more conservative when it comes to this kind of stuff. And simply I have my thumbnail size. Now, what I do when I'm applying beard butter into my beard is I simply just take it, rub it into my hand, into the palm of my hand, and then I just work that beard oil until the butter has solidified, until it becomes like an oil. And then once it's in as an oil, what I tend to do is I simply just want to work on my sides and then my front. So I'll go in here, rub the oil into my beard, into my sides, and then that is pretty much what I try to do. Now again, if you have a shorter beard, it might look a little bit different, but that's okay. The main thing you want to do is you just want to focus on your beard hair. You want to keep it nice and hydrated, you want to keep it nice and refreshed. And again, don't forget the mustache. Again, take your fingers and apply that as you go, okay? And then once you're done that, you can either do a couple things. You can comb out your beard if you want to, or you can just leave it as it is and you have your finger, you just use your fingers and that's it. If you have any kind of excess residue on your hands, simply just take it. I usually actually apply onto my scalp. Again, all this stuff, all these essential oils are great for, you know, for your skin. If you got any dry elbows, throw that onto your dry elbows, or your fingers or your toes, your knees, whatever, and then you simply just go from there. What I try to do is I try to do this about maybe 45 minutes to an hour before I sleep. That way my beard hair can absorb all these, you know, natural and essential oils, and then I will go to sleep. But that's simply how I apply beard butter. It's just with my thumb. Take a little bit of amount. Again, you don't have to use too much. Little does go a long way, especially for any company that you're using. So again, just use your thumb, scoop it out, and then rub it into your hands. Wait till it's actually like rub it until like it's just oil, and then apply into your beard, and then you are good to go. I hope that you guys found this video to be helpful, and if you did, please leave a comment. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and until next time guys, we will see you in the next video. Take care, God bless, and as always, keep your stick on the ice and treat your beard to something nice. And we'll see you next time. Cheers.